Hi guys, I'm really excited to be trying the Dutch pour technique today. For anyone who doesn't know, that's an acrylic pouring technique that uses air to manipulate the paints on a canvas. So I'll be using a hairdryer to do that today. I'm doing a split base with Oxide Black by Amsterdam on one side. And Titanium White by Amsterdam on the other side. If you're interested in the paint ratios, you can find those listed in the description box, along with all the other supplies that I'm using today. By the way, if you're using different paint brands from what I'm using today, I'd recommend checking out Canela Sirocco's video number 434, where she provides ratios of a number of different paint brands for this technique. I'm just popping some of the air bubbles with the hairdryer, but you can also use a heat gun or a torch to do that. Okay, so we're ready for the colors. This is Phthalo Green by Liquitex Basics. This is Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. This one is 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art. It's the Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint. And this is Aqua Green by Liquitex Basics. Now I'm just using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I've got the hairdryer linked in the description box too, in case you're interested to find that. I really like the gold cells that have formed, and I quite like the overall color combination too. Well, I'm really excited about how this painting turned out, and it gives me some encouragement to experiment a bit more with this technique. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.